going on, gentlemen? Welcome back to the Bearded Journey. I am your host, Scott Barnes, and in today's video, I want to make something short, simple, and quick. Within that first month of beard growth, there's going to be some times where our beards are going to be looking shaggy, maybe a little unkept. But for this video, I want to go for the first trim, for me at least, within my first month to 2 months of beard growth that I like to focus on. Now, there are two areas that I want to look out for when trimming and cleaning up my beard. Now, the first one is obvious. It's going to be the cheek line and is going to be the neckline. So I like to do the hangman's noose where we're cleaning up the neck as we're growing out our beard. I've done a full growth beard growth before where I just let everything go, and it's a little unkept, but it does do the job. But the one thing that I really wanted to cover over this topic was not only do we have the cheek lines and the neckline, but I wanted to bring out a really good point where it comes with the uneven beard growth, where we can actually capitalize on trimming up the beard a little bit to actually have an even growth and an even look. So when we're going out for the day, everything's looking nice, sharp, and sweet. Now, straight off the bat, I think you guys know what I'm talking about. Right here for me is the fastest growing part of my beard, and right above it is the slowest part of my beard. Now, like I've said time and time again, is that beards grow at different lengths and at different speeds, and in all the areas that we have in our face. So for me, my chin definitely takes a while to catch up to everything else. Now, for me, right here, even when I'm combing it back, it can we can hide the actual look. But what I like to do is when I'm combing out my beard, I like to push back just a little bit to put some emphasis under the chin and gives it a little bit of fluff and girth, so it's kind of looking nice and strong. But I get this little bit of resistance under the chin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take out my clippers, we'll make it nice and quick, and I'm just going to kind of make it to a point. Make sure we're rounding it out, and that's it. And I wanted to bring that point up to you now that while we fluff and kind of push it out to the front, we don't have that point anymore, and everything's evening out right into that point of the chin. And as I comb my beard out again to try to push everything forward for my chin to kind of look robust, see, everything is nice and even in my beard growth. Now, I just want to let you guys know that there are going to be some times where you're going to be wanting to trim your beard. Now, I obviously highly recommend against it, but in those certain times and those certain areas, we might have to pull out the clippers to make everything even. Like I said, my chin grows a lot slower than my sideburns and my jawline, and of course under my neck here grows very rapidly. So I'm just trying to keep everything in an even look. But other than that, it's just a nice way as we're growing out our beard to make everything look cohesive. So that being said, next video we're going to focus on the mustache, because as you guys can see, as I'm growing out my beard, the mustache is definitely kind of going a little crazy. So I got a couple tips and tricks on how to handle that as we're growing it out. So like I said, when we're going out in our peers, we're not looking like a homeless person. So I just wanted to bring you a quick video when it comes to evening out your beard as we grow it out. So like always, you guys, like and subscribe, check me out on all that social media. Love you like always, and I'll see you on the flip side. See ya!